laws or legislations have not changed. The enforcement of them have been changed a little bit.
Yes.
They have been more strict.
They're more strict. They're enforcing. For example, recently, when you're on a student visa per se, you should not drunk and drive. So if you're a drunk and drive case, your visa can be taken away from you. It is on books forever. Before it was not enforced. Now they try to enforce it. They put it in a different way, right? If you're a guest, behave like a guest. Yes.
So after 2020, getting to US is a lot more difficult. क्या बदला है?
See, basically, now again, it's a perspective. Getting into US, rules never changed.
Okay.
So the rules are same. So basically, now application of the rules with different administrations, there are different way they apply the same rule. So sometimes scrutiny ज़्यादा होता है, sometimes कम होता है. The question is the rules did not change in a bigger way. So now, at some point in time, they started enforcing the rules on the books. And more than rules, it became a big psychological drama. Because every day, the biggest conversation in US or in news waves is about immigration. So anybody who gets into US or who is thinking to get into immigration, they are looking at this news every day. So it is more of a psychological fear.
What's the problem with immigrants?
See, basically, now again, same thing happens in Maharashtra. Same thing happens in Telangana. We divided a state. So same thing happens in everywhere.
Taking the jobs.
Taking the jobs, or you don't like something, you just want to establish some kind of power hierarchy, or for lack of any other thing, no other news, they know that this is an emotional angle. People have biases, creed, religion, color of skin, so on and so forth. So whatever the bias kicks in, whichever gets the gravity, people go in this digital age. So Donald Trump, immigration is his platform. It's very well published platform. And he talks about it every day. So psychologically, everybody is thinking about it. But if you see materially, did anything change? No. United States of America needs talented people. And it is going to get talented people from everywhere. It's two sides. People need an opportunity to satisfy their curiosity. So what is United States of America from immigration point of view, right? It is the water. It provides you water for your quest, right? So you go to US, there are opportunities. That's why you're fighting hard to get into US,
Yeah.
right? And that is particular society is providing that opportunity for past 40, 50 years. So it is still number one destination because of the structural finance they have, the risk capital they have. So it is going to gravitate, all the talent is going to gravitate to US. So ups and downs, political process, political pressures, some hardline things, which is time to time, there's a reality everywhere.
So things, or let's say for lack of a better term, laws or legislations have not changed. The enforcement of them have been changed a little
Yes.
bit. They have been more strict.
They're more strict. They're enforcing. For example, recently, now what happened? A lot of Indian students' visas got cancelled
Yeah.
based upon a technicality. See, if you are fingerprinted for whatever the reason, you're in a database. So they took a line that whoever has been in this database get a notice. Right? They got the notice. Some people got scared. They came to India. Some people went ahead and went to the court, and decision came in their favor.
What was the notice?
So when you get basically, you know what, when you're on a student visa per se, you should not drunk and drive. So if you're a drunk and drive case, your visa can be taken away from you. It is on books forever. So before it was not enforced. Now they try to enforce it.
Okay.
And one of the things, right, like put it in a different way, right? If you're a guest, behave like a guest.
That's true.
Like, let's say that is a premise.
So it only applies to DUI cases.
No, one of the examples.
Okay, one of the
One of the examples. So there are a lot of things like that. When you are being pulled on the road, if they take you and fingerprint you, you are in a database. So if your name is in database, somebody made a decision, right? Whoever is in the database, they are criminals, which is not right.
Yeah.
But so they started from there. They send the notices to them, right? But again, that did not stand in the court.
But some people decided to just come back.
Absolutely, because see, again, people anxiety, their own thought process.
So
The best way to look at America today is right what they are asking in a way, right? Change is tough for everybody, right? So if you're a guest, behave like a guest, right? Once you understand
Fair.
that, so